As you can tell from the title, it's another body butter video, but I'm going to switch it up a little bit and make it without water today. This body butter is going to be for a wholesale order. The customer wanted hers mixed without water. I like to melt down the cocoa and mango butter so I do not get any hard pieces left behind after the mixing process. Texture for your body butter, you want to skip adding the unrefined coconut oil and use fractionated coconut oil instead. The unrefined coconut oil helps to loosen the texture up. The fractionated coconut oil will not alter the texture because it is still in a liquid form. Even though I'm making this batch without water, I'm still going to add a preservative. My customer is going to be selling it to her customers, and they may introduce water or bacteria into the product, and we want to make sure it has that protection. I'm adding the pearl white pigment to the mixture because I like for my body butter to have a bright white color to it. I'm just going to mix everything really well to make sure I get the pigment mixed up and catch any small clumps that may be left behind. I had more oil in there. I just went ahead and added it to the batch. I do not like to waste any product. Now that I'm finally done mixing everything, I'm going to place a piece of paper towel over it, allow it to sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to come back and put it in the jars. It was at this moment when I realized I did not have my ring light on. Ugh.